If we click on Advanced here, you'll see relationships listed here, and we can click Add. Now, the idea behind a relationship is that we can connect one piece of content to another piece of content that has some connection to it. In this case, we're using an entity reference as the connection, but we could also get more information about the author by using the username that's attached to the piece of content. We can get more information about a taxonomy term by using a reference if the piece of content that we're working with uses a taxonomy term, and so on. So we're going to do a quick search for product because that's the reference field that we're looking at here. And we actually have two that look like they might be right. We have entity reference referenced entity and entity reference referencing entity. So again, a reference has two sides, the refer and the referred. The way we've structured ours is that we're connecting from our review over to the product. So we actually want more information about the review, which is the referencing entity. The referenced entity is the product, which is what our view is based off of. We already have plenty of information about that simply by basing the view off of it. So we're going to check this one right here. And I'll click All Displays. For the identifier, we're going to put in referencing review node. That should be easy to recognize. And we'll also check require this relationship. Now, ideally, there shouldn't be any reviews that don't have relationships to products or products that don't have relationships to views, but we'll check this just to make sure that that relationship exists. And then we'll click Apply All Displays.